Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to restore AutoCAD Workspace layout after it gets messed up using the easy method. This is a great way to pull your scattered toolboxes back to their proper places so your digital drawing area looks clean and familiar again. Step 1. Open the bottom workspace selector. The first step is to locate the small mechanical setup button at the bottom of your screen that handles your default interface layouts. Move your mouse pointer down to the very bottom right corner of your software window. Find the small icon that looks like a tiny gear wheel and click on it once to open the layout menu. Scan the pop-up list that appears above the wheel to see which layout name has a check mark sitting next to it. This is the start of everything because you cannot fix a broken layout without finding the master controller menu first. You have to open this quick setting menu so you can see which template your screen is currently trying to display. Without this step, you would have to drag every single misplaced panel back into position by hand. Step 2. Switch to a different layout style and return back again. Next, you need to trick the software engine into refreshing your screen by choosing a completely different drawing style template before returning to your regular setup. Click that same bottom gear wheel icon, click on a different layout style from the list like 3D Basics, wait 2 seconds for your screen boxes to shift, click the gear icon again, and click back on your original layout option. Watch your monitor closely as the application blinks and tries to reload your main drawing buttons from its memory files. This is a smart move because toggling the display templates acts as a quick jumpstart for your user setup. Shifting back and forth forces the program to clear out temporary display glitches and pull a fresh copy of your button configuration out of its internal storage. It ensures your main window panels snap right back into place without losing your place. Step 3. Lock your fixed workspace to protect your look. The final step is to save your clean workspace rules and turn on the safety lock feature so your boxes stay glued down and cannot be dragged away by accident in the future. Click your bottom gear wheel icon again, click the line that says Save Current As, type a clear name inside the text box, hit the Save button. Now your layout restoration setup is completely finished and your drawing area is perfectly steady. And that's it. To restore AutoCAD Workspace layout after it gets messed up, you must first click the gear icon at the bottom right corner to open your display menu. Then you switch to a different layout style and flip back again to trigger a quick interface refresh. Finally, you use the tool to save and lock your workspace settings so your favorite drawing buttons stay locked down forever. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.